All right, understanding probability. This question we have a fire coin is tossed twice. Determine the probability of getting a head followed by a tail. All right, now solution. Solution. I don't want you to just get the solution, but understanding the question. What is coin? This is how coins look like. And in the coin, you see someone's head. This is someone's head. The other part of the coin, that is the other face, is the tail. So this is the head, this is the tail. Now, they say that a third coin is tossed twice. So I throw it once and it fell down. I pick it again and throw it again, it falls down. So they say that what is the probability of getting a head followed by a tail? What do you mean by getting a head followed by a tail? As I throw the coin and it fell on the floor, the face that is facing up is what I'm going to get as my outcome. Assuming I throw it and this side, which is having the head, turns up, that it shows to the atmosphere, it is what? My outcome. But if I throw it and the other side shows, which is the what? The tail. That tail is my what? Outcome. But I'm looking for the results when I throw it twice. That is, I throw it, I look at the result, I pick it back again and throw it. I will also look at the result. So now, assuming I throw it the first time, it turns head. The second time, it may turn what? Head again. Head may be on what? On top. Now, this that I'm explaining now is the experiment. The outcome is going to be put in a sample space. So our sample space is a space that shows the outcome of the experiment put in a set. So if I throw it the first time, it may show what? Head. Head may be on top. And the second time I throw it again, because I'm going to pick it up and throw it again, it may also show what? Head. Or the first time that I throw it, it may show head. And the second time I throw it, it may show what? Tail. You understand what I'm doing? Or the first time I throw the coin, the tail may be on top. And I throw it the second time again, the head may be on top. Or if I throw it the first time, the tail may be on top. And if I throw it the second time, the tail may be on top. This is the sample space of what could occur. So in that experiment of throwing a coin 1 and 2, so 1, head can be on top, the second time head can be on top, or head can be on top the first, second, third, tail can be on top, or tail can be on top the first, head can be on top, or the both will be tail, tail. The first time and second time may be what? Tail, tail, or head, head. That's what we mean by what? Sample space. Now the question now asks, a fair coin is tossed, just like I throw it. Determine the probability of getting a head followed by a tail. Getting a head followed by a tail. So it means that the first one I'm throwing it will show head, and the second one I'm throwing it will show what? Will show tail. That's what we mean by head what? Head followed by what? A tail. Now probability is equal to what? Number of favorable outcome over total number of outcome. So number of favorable outcome over total number of outcome, shortlisted as R over M. Shortlisted as what? R over M. Now, the number of favorable outcome is what I want it to come out when I do that experiment, which is what? Toasting that coin twice. While the total number of outcome is what can happen. So this can happen, this can happen. But the number of favorable outcome is what I want it to happen. And what I want it to happen is what? I want to get what? A head followed by a what? A tail. So what is the number of a head followed by a tail here? That is my what? Favorable outcome. What is the total number of what could occur is my what? Total number of what? Outcome. Hence, R here, which is the what? Favorable outcome. What I'm looking for is head followed by tail. If you look at here, where can I get head followed by a tail? This is head followed by a tail. This is tail, tail followed by head, tail, tail, head, head. So the only head followed by a tail that is here is 1. So R is 1. Whereby any is what? Total number of outcome, what could occur, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 could occur, which is they are what? 4. Hence, probability P is equals to R over N, which is what? 1 over 4. In this case, we normally leave our action and answer in fraction. So this is to be our correct answer here. Hope you understand. Now, let's look at